Welcome to your Mecmesin VectorPro training video course. This is the first of many videos available that will lead you through the exciting new platform for force and torque testing. To get to this stage, you will have installed VectorPro along with the examples database already, and the VectorPro icon will be available on your desktop. First, a few words about the software, as you will notice that it is quite different from other Mecmesin software. VectorPro is a modern software application designed to be used across many different platforms, from your desktop PC to your touchscreen tablet or even your phone. Right now, VectorPro is only available for computers and touchscreen tablets running Windows software. But over the next 12 months, we'll be releasing iPad, iPhone and Android compatible apps. This will allow you much more flexibility when choosing how you want to interface with Mecmesin products. To enable full compatibility with touchscreens, there is no right-click menus and no hover metadata available. However, there is always help available by touching or clicking the VectorPro logo wherever you are in the software. In order to collect data using VectorPro, you need a license key. This is available as a USB license key for VectorPro Lite or as a license file for other systems. You'll see that VectorPro makes use of icons wherever possible. This minimizes the requirement for language translation, and where possible, we've tried to use familiar icons for common functions, but others may be unfamiliar to you. But these will be explained to you as we go through the training. When you launch the software, you'll see the login pop-up. Here, you see the VectorPro logo, the software version number, input fields for username and password, some icons along the bottom that allow you to accept the username and password, cancel login and return to Windows, request an admin password from Mecmesin technical support, or change the database that VectorPro uses. VectorPro uses an SQLite database to store all system and test data. You can have many different databases, but only use one at a time. We'll explain how you can change the database that VectorPro uses later. Okay, let's log into VectorPro. You're now in the VectorPro workspace environment, where you'll see a number of icons and a number of tiles on the workspace. These tiles are your access points to all your vital test data. But also the system tiles give you access to user permissions, language translations and the all-important test creation and execution. You can see individual test tiles representing a single test, but also some test group tiles. Over the next 5 or 6 videos, we'll show you how to create, edit, execute, review, analyze and export or print all of your test data. You'll see the taskbar, and working from left to right we can see the exit icon. When you click or touch this, it will take you back to the login pop-up, where you can either log in as a different user or exit to Windows. The USB connection status. If you've got a compatible product attached, then a tick will appear and a red number indicating the number of devices that you have attached. Yes, you can have more than one device attached to your PC running VectorPro, but I'm afraid you can only use one at a time. Next to that, we have the live data coming from your device, load and displacement. Of course, if you have a torque device attached, then you'll see torque here. Next to this, we've got the VectorPro logo. By clicking on the VectorPro logo, you can see all the help functions. We'll go through those a little bit later. Moving along, we can see the language icon. There are many different languages available in VectorPro, and you can change to them just by clicking on the flag of your choice. No restart is required. Instant translation is available. Next to this, you can see the on-screen keyboard icon. If you're working with a touchscreen and your on-screen keyboard does not automatically appear, then you can touch this icon and you'll see a keyboard. And next to this, we have the current time and date as set on your PC. Let's go through the help features available via the logo. Clicking or touching the logo shows the basic system data along with 3 more icons. The question mark icon opens the operator manual. The camera icon takes an image of your current screen that you can use to paste into a report or an email or anywhere you like. If you have Microsoft Outlook installed, clicking on the mail icon creates an email including system info and the current test screen, and automatically includes the Mecmesin technical support email address in the email address line. So now we've seen all of the main elements of the VectorPro workspace, move on to the next video where we'll show you how to create your first VectorPro test.